Here's how we play. I'm going to look over at that board right there, and then I'm going to start mimicking one of those animals. And as soon as you know which one it is, you run over, grab it, and hand it to me. Whoever gets it to me first gets the point. And we will play until I am exhausted. All right. You'll both stand on those two lines over there. Okay? All right. I left my heart. That's correct. It was a parrot. A donkey. What an ass. Oh. Which one were you going for? Oh boy. Yes, unfortunately, that was. All right, here we go. Wow, that's right. Really.
Change places now, you guys.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see if that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 0. What do you have in your hand? That's right. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Oh. Okay. Yes, I don't know how you do that. That didn't sound like it. Let's see. No, I didn't even know I was doing that yet. How did you know that? Wow. Oh, boy, I don't know how to... Wow. Yes, you're right. I think somebody won.